Before you begin, remove the base enclosure and battery. Removal. Caution. Use care when disconnecting the wireless WAN antenna cables from the wireless WAN module. A damaged cable or connector can degrade notebook performance. Carefully disconnect the wireless WAN antenna cables from the wireless WAN module by grasping the connector with a small pair of needle nose pliers or tweezers. Remove the 3mm P1 Phillips head screw that secures the wireless WAN module to the top cover. Grasp the wireless WAN module by the edges and pull gently to remove it from its slot. Reverse this procedure to install the wireless WAN module. Important: when installing a wireless WAN module, be sure to align the notch in the wireless WAN module with the key in the wireless WAN module slot in the motherboard.